Hello and welcome back to Vue on Fire. My name is David Bixenmeister and today I'm going to show you how to add the Bootstrap CSS framework to our Vue project. To add Bootstrap to our Vue project, we're going to use the Bootstrap Vue plugin. It's one of the most comprehensive implementations of Bootstrap 4 and it can be added as a plugin through the new Vue CLI 3. The official website of it is bootstrap-vue.js.org. So it consists of Bootstrap 4 and is made for Vue.js, obviously. So let's just take a look at it and let's click Get Started. Bootstrap Vue has implementations of the Bootstrap components, like for example the layout and grid system with its containers, rows and columns. We have the navbar, which you can see here. But there are also some simple elements like the buttons, from Bootstrap. We have form inputs, or just forms. We also have cards. So you can see there's a Bootstrap Vue implementation of basically everything Bootstrap has to offer. To add this plugin to our project, we're going to use the Vue CLI. As you probably have seen in our first episode, the new Vue CLI has this amazing add command which lets you add plugins to already existing Vue projects. And we're going to do exactly that right now. We simply type vue add bootstrap-vue to add it. It's going to ask us if we want to use Babel, where we're going to say yes, and then it's going to be added to our Vue project. When we open our code editor, we can see this new folder called plugins, which also contains our bootstrap-vue.js plugin. We're just going to open it and we can see all bootstrap-vue specific imports in this file. Since we're using SCSS Sass, we are going to import the Bootstrap Sass file rather than the CSS file. Next, we want to change some styles of our existing applications. And we're going to start with the navbar. So we open the app.vue file where we have our existing very basic navigation right now, and we're going to exchange it with the Bootstrap navbar component. First, we can remove the old nav style from our component's CSS. And then we just add the Bootstrap-Vue navbar, which is called b-navbar. We're going to choose the type light, which is for light backgrounds, and the variant light, which gives us a light background. We also want our navbar to collapse to a mobile navbar for all smartphones and tablets. So we just add toggleable MD for medium devices. Then we're adding a toggle button for our mobile menu and add a collapsible target to it, which is going to be nav_collapse. Then we are adding the collapsible navbar elements and we will give it the ID nav_collapse, which is the same as the target ID we just used. So this collapsible menu is fully shown on desktop devices and automatically collapses on tablets and smartphones. Then we're just going to add our two current navbar elements, home, which links to /, and another one for about, which links to /about. Now we can remove the old navigation. And we're going to do one more thing. We wrap our router view into a Bootstrap container. So let's see how that looks like. We are going to open our console, spinning up our dev server with yarn serve. And once it's ready, we are opening our browser on localhost 8080. We can see already our new navbar with our two nav items, home and about. And if we open our browser console, we can see that the router view is now wrapped in a div with the Bootstrap class container. And we have our nav tag with the Bootstrap CSS styles. And if we're going to resize our browser window, we can see that at a certain point our navigation automatically collapses to a mobile navigation. And if we enlarge the browser window, we can see the full navigation again. That's it for now. Please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Vue on Fire. Thanks for watching and see you soon on this channel.